Join me as I try to navigate the tricky world of first date kisses without making a total fool of myself. First date kisses, they're exciting, they're nerve-wracking, and they can be utterly disastrous. We've all been there, hoping to make a good impression, but instead, ending up with a face full of awkwardness. Today, I'm going to share with you the common pitfalls to avoid when it comes to first date kissing, so you can make a great impression and avoid any cringe-worthy moments. When it comes to first date kisses, timing is everything. You don't want to rush in too quickly, but you also don't want to wait too long. The anticipation can be overwhelming, and it's easy to misread the signs. You might think they're into it, but really, they're just being polite. Then there's the issue of awkwardness. Do you go in for a peck, or do you try to make it more intimate? And what about miscommunication? You think you're on the same page, but really, you're speaking different languages. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of a new connection, but it's essential to take a step back and assess the situation. Are they leaning in, or are they leaning away? Are they initiating, or are they hesitant? Reading the signs is crucial, but it's not always easy. And what about the pressure of making it perfect? You want to make a good impression, but you also don't want to overthink it. In the heat of the moment, it's easy to forget that it's just a kiss. But that one kiss can make or break the entire date. You want to make it special, but you also want to keep it casual. It's a delicate balance, and one wrong move can lead to disaster. So how do you navigate these treacherous waters? How do you ensure that your first date kiss is more romantic comedy than horror story? I've got a few friends who've had their fair share of kissing disasters. There was the guy who went in for a kiss on the cheek, but ended up with a face full of ear. Or the girl who mistook a friendly hug for a romantic gesture. These stories are relatable, and they're hilarious, but they're also valuable lessons in what not to do on a first date. So, what can we learn from these kissing failures? How can we take their mistakes and turn them into our own successes? The key to a successful first date kiss is not about the technique or the drama, it's about the moment. It's about reading the signs, being present, and being genuine. You want to make sure that both you and your partner are on the same page, and that the kiss feels natural, not forced. It's not about trying to recreate some romantic Hollywood moment, it's about creating your own special connection. So, the next time you're on a first date, remember to breathe, relax, and let the moment unfold. Today, we've covered some of the most common pitfalls to avoid when it comes to first date kissing. We've talked about the importance of timing, the dangers of awkwardness, and the value of reading the signs. Remember, a first date kiss is not about the kiss itself, it's about the connection you make with the other person. Thanks for watching, and if you've got a first date kissing story you'd love to share, let me know in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more dating advice and relationship tips.